Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn Instagram DM option not showing up. So if you are facing this problem, what you have to do is you have to check that you have a stable internet connection, and after checking that you have a stable internet connection, you have to open up your Play Store application, and then you have to search for Instagram. And after searching for Instagram, you just have to check if there's an update option. So if you find an update option, just update your Instagram application and your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, what you have to do is you have to come back to your home screen and then tap and hold on to your Instagram application and then tap on app info. And after tapping on app info, it will take you to a page where you can find Instagram's app info. You just have to tap on storage and cache and then clear cache, and after doing that your problems might be fixed. But even that doesn't fix your problem, what you have to do is come up to your home screen and then tap and hold on to your power button and just restart your device. And you can also reinstall your Snapchat application. After doing all this, you might fix your problem. And if you think this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and if you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.